Hey, it's Hot Rod, the freaking Eagle. Doing a little work on Rusty today. Last couple of days I've had to work on my mower and my power washer. So this is what's happening now, getting the 2.4s ready to go on it. There's some of the other stuff, distributing all that. But I had a time getting the motor in with the motor mounts I'd made. They were not quite lined up perfect, but I finally got them. And look what's in there. Truck headers. I just ordered them thinking, looking like they'd fit. But if I hadn't raised the motor mounts, I wouldn't have got them in there. That bird you hear does that all day long, which is better than the music they play around here. And this is the driver's side. I had to take the oil filter off and the plugs out to get that up in there. And it's such a tight fit, I have to get a shorter oil filter. But it's got the collector on there. When I get the exhaust put on, I'm going to have the collector taken off and just run the pipe straight up onto the pipe coming out of the headers. But as you know, that's the motor that came out of that Corvette I had, the red and black one. That's sitting there covered up. Let's start on that next week. I'm putting a 67 Corvette motor in that 327 350. It's going to be a nice cruiser when I finish that. But getting ready to rain. Got my granddaughter's first birthday party tomorrow. I gotta go to that. Well, I don't gotta go. I want to go. And then Sunday I'll be out here working on it. I'll have the toner ram on it next week and running. I can't wait to hear it with those headers on it. Y'all have a nice weekend. Enjoy this lockdown. That's it. Later.